Hey everyone, Scott Girard here, and in this video I'm going to be talking about Clickfunnels 2.0 and doing a review of courses and products. Sorry, not a review, a demo of courses and products. I'm going to be doing a demo, and so here we go. We're going to just get straight into it here. So when you come in, of course, you'll see your dashboard here, just like this. And we're going to go into Sites and Funnels and go to Courses. So when we go into Courses, what we want to do is I'm going to create a new course. And you can create a blank course or a nested course or just a basic course. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to create a blank course, name it something, Scott course, give it a description, and you can choose your theme here. I'm just going to leave it as the default, and you can choose a thumbnail image for your course. So then you go create course. Well, gotta select a theme. Never mind. There isn't a default one. So for example, I'll use hero theme. I'll select that. And that should be it. I don't need a thumbnail. So here is the course. So, and then in your course, you can check your enrollments, and this is where you can manually add people as well from your customers. So we go into module, so module 1, give it a description. Whatever you're teaching on, you would create the description 1 on the module itself, and if you want to put a thumbnail image for that module, you can add it here. So you could select an image I'll just show that I'll just pick an image here and create the module, and now my module 1 is here and ready to go. So now that we have that module, we can add a lesson in there. So lesson 1, for example, module 1, you can add an image for the lesson itself. I'll just select an image just out of my images. Audio, you can add in audio or edit audio settings for the lesson. So right now I don't have anything in there, but if there is something in there, this would be the audio element of your lesson. So then you put in your video. So you'll select a video. I have an example one here. You upload, I'm going to go back that. So when you go in to select your video, what you do is upload the video and select something from your computer, or you can drag and drop it in as well to that. So I'm just going to select this video for the purposes of this demo, and then you just create the lesson, and you'll notice this is in draft. You'll want to publish this if you want to make it available. You can select auto enroll any existing students in the module and send them a notification, or you can schedule it to come out at a certain day and time. So there is that. Of course, the options in here are drip or lock as well. And then I'm going to click on publish that first lesson. Now, when you come in here, this will be editing the lesson itself to that button there, but you want to go in if you want to add a component. This is just, I love how easy this is to go in. So now I can create lesson 2, and I'll go in, add my image. I'm using the same image. Of course, you might want to have a different image, or if you have just an overall branded image for your course, use that. Audio settings, you might want to have like a lesson 1, lesson 2 image maybe that you can create in Canva. And then of course you go to expand video settings, put in your video. I'll choose the same one because I already had for the purpose of this video. Create that lesson, and now lesson 2 is in there. Now when you want to add another module, you can add in your other module. So module 2, and put in a description for the module. You put in your thumbnail image for the module. This is going to be important for what I'm going to show you next. Create that module. And so now I've got module 1 with 2 lessons, module 2 with no lessons, but now I can launch my course depending on what you want, right? And so that's what I'm going to show you how to do now. So now you want to go into products, and you go into create a product, call it the same name of your course, My Excellent Course. Come up with a better name, of course. I would definitely suggest if it's a course to put in a description what it's about. So description. And then you go create product. You can choose one time or a subscription service. So basically, if you're gonna drip feed them one module a week. Maybe you want to have a weekly subscription, for example, so they get that content, they get a result, they want to keep on coming to the next week. But for the purposes here, I'm just going to select one time. You can, the price name, so this is, I would name it your course, My Course, for example. Don't type in My Course, but name that name of your actual course. You set the price here, and it's in USD, so be cognizant of that. Say I want to sell a $9.97. Whoops. Oh, $9.97. A compare at amount would be like if you have products already that are comparable, and then if you have a cost if you sold this before, but I'm not going to put that in there. And then you'd select an image for your actual, I'm going to change this one so we understand. Whoops, I'm going to edit this. So if you do that, you can always go into edit. I'm going to select an image. I'll just select my logo. And you want it available in the customer center. So that's your area, which I've explained on a different video. This, if you want to put in tax codes for wherever you're located, you of course can add that in here. The tax jar is a third-party application for tax codes, so Of course, if you're running business that needs to collect taxes, that's where you would add that. Your SKU, if you want for shipping, that's for physical products. And then right here is where you add your course access. So you have to update your product and save it, and then go into add your course access. So, no published courses. Oh, hold on a second here. I might have to go back here and check my my course, because I'm sure I published it. It says in draft. So I'm gonna go publish. So that is published now. I'll just check this to make sure it's the same course. Oh yeah. So you also have to come in and publish your course. So when you come into courses, and you'll see your course here that you created, you got to make sure that it is published. So that's important to know for courses. Just like for funnels, you have to. These are turned off by default now because they had a lot of people in ClickFunnels, in the original Clickfunnels 1.0, that were saying, it'd be really nice if certain settings were turned off, so that when I creating something, it's not visible across my site. So they switched it for ClickFunnels 2.0, and these settings are now off. Same with funnels, you have to make them live for them to be visible. So when you're going into products, you would you can go into edit your product now, and this is where you would put in your course access, whatever they have access to. Now you could have different price points, so this is really nice where if you might want to have a free trial, for example, and they get access to like the first lesson of each module. You can go in here and easily put that in there. And then, so now course access is updated, and I will just go in and show you what that looks like now. What your customer in your course is going to see. So now you can go into courses and go into Scott's course. You can duplicate your course. So if you have similar courses here, you can share the coming soon, and you can preview it. So I'm going to preview it to see what it looks like. So here's what it looks like based on the theme that I chose. So go to module 1, and as you see, it changes. So go to module 1, lesson 1, and then there's the lesson. And they can mark it complete or go to the next lesson. And this part, I don't have, this isn't set up, so I would probably take this out of the course page. This is my home page, so that is how to set up a course. And then when you go in, now you can go into your sites and funnels, and pages and site pages, no, theme pages, and you just type in courses template page. So this is for Launch Boss, Anchor Wave. So you kind of want to go in and see where your theme is. I don't see where the theme is there, but that is one way to look at your course page. The other way is to go in here, edit your layout of the course itself, and then now you can go in and change this. This will be your course title, and then whatever you want, jump into a module. You can completely delete this section if you want. Now that won't be in the course. Go into module 2, edit that, and your course home as well, so you can go into your home. This is where, choose. So if I want to change the theme, I can change the dark to the dark course theme. I'm just going to move myself here and select a thumbnail image for the course. I'll just put that one I've been using. Dark course style. So template page. So this is where example course template page, whatever you have. So if you have your own template for a course, you can use that. You can just leave it blank as well. And then your sections, you would name this to something different, but you can just leave it as the default. But you can go in and create your section and lesson templates as well to use. And I'm not going to go into creating those pages on this video. And what you want to do is update the course. And now, because I changed the theme, you want to save it. Now, because I changed the theme, it should look slightly different here. This is not. That's different. We want to go back into course. Now it's just getting used to things. I know this seems like maybe it's like, oh, I gotta jump around, but this is really, oh yeah, so there's what it looks like now. And if I want to preview it, it should bring up that dark theme now. And what I like about this is that it just has the modules and then has a button for them to select, and there isn't anywhere to get like lost or anything. You know, I can change this, I can take that out, and then all they do is go to lesson 1, 2, or 3. As you can see, they can navigate just here and go into their course, mark as that lesson complete. You can go in and edit these buttons as well in the theme. for the course page. So I hope you enjoyed that video. That's just an overall demo of courses and setting up a product in conjunction to that course. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and of course make sure to click on that link in the comments and sign up for a free trial, free 30-day trial of Clickfunnels 2.0. You're going to love it. It's amazing. I've been using it now for a little bit, and there's so much in here that's available. And so get in on that trial and get your over $20,000 worth of bonuses. So have an amazing day.